We're out here today at the secret creek, and I'm determined to catch one on the fly because I came out here last time and tried to fly fish, didn't catch anything on the fly, so I got kind of frustrated, gave up, went over to a spinning reel. Oh hey, glad you guys are looking down, probably couldn't even see me the entire time. We're gonna try and get on them today. I have a good feeling. Weather's perfect. It's not hot. I'm feeling good right now. See you later. Oh, that's a bald eagle.
Happy New Year, 1997.
Happy New Year, 1997!
Boom, look at that bad boy right there. Just fantastic. There he goes. First cast with the tube, baby. Let's keep going. Hey boys, we just got another one. Boom, look at that. Got another one. It's a rock bass. You can tell by the way he's fighting. He's not really fighting me. He's just swimming sideways. Oh, hey, he got a second wind there. Man, I'm just a rock bass slayer. All right, as much as I love this spot, I need to go to a different spot. Boom, there he goes. Let's go to a different spot. I was recording on that. All right, just got a pretty decent one. Got it on the camera. Nice. We'll let him go right here. There he goes, off in the distance. That was a good fish. Got one. Oh, it's another rock bass. Got another rock bass. There he is. He's a small one, but he'll do. Got one. Smallmouth. Oh, nope, rock bass. Definitely rock bass. He is not fighting at all. It's a big one though. Boom, look at that. It's pretty sick. Yep, that's a little sunset rock bass. Holy shit! Holy moly! Whoa, mother trucker, dude! Whoa, that was close! Whoa! Wow, that was scary. Holy moly, joly, boly, coly! That scared the freaking heebie-jeebies out of me, man. Oh, baby, this is a short video. But heck yeah, this was great. It was a good grind session after school. Caught some fish, saw a snake. Holy shit! Saw some deer walk right up next to me. I don't know if I caught that on camera, but yeah, today was a good day. Successful, fun. It's definitely gonna happen again.